Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a new lead stage in Salesforce. This is particularly useful when you need to customize your sales pipeline to match your business process and track leads more effectively. To get started, look for the gear icon in the top right corner of your Salesforce interface and click on it. This opens up your administrative options. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Setup. This is your control center for all Salesforce configurations and customizations. Once you're in Setup, you'll see a Quick Find box on the left side of the screen. Type Object Manager into this search box. The Quick Find feature helps you navigate Salesforce's extensive settings quickly. Click on Object Manager when it appears in the search results. This tool allows you to manage all the objects in your Salesforce instance, including leads, opportunities, and accounts. Now that you're in the Object Manager, use the Quick Find box again, but this time type Lead. You'll see Lead appear in the results list, so go ahead and click on it. This takes you to the specific settings for managing your lead object. In the left sidebar, you'll find several options for customizing leads. Click on Fields and Relationships. This section contains all the fields associated with your lead records, including standard and custom fields. Scroll through the list of fields until you find Lead Status and click on it. This field controls all the stages your leads can move through, so it's exactly what we need to modify. As you scroll down on the Lead Status page, you'll see a section called Pick List Values. This is where all your current lead stages are listed. To add a new stage, click the New button. You'll now see a form where you can define your new stage. In the Label field, type the name of your new stage. For example, you might enter For Verification if you need a stage where leads are being verified before moving forward. Next, type the same name into the API Name field. Salesforce uses this for back-end operations and integrations. Here's where you can set some optional configurations. If you want this new stage to be the default for all new leads, check the default box. Additionally, if this stage represents a converted lead, meaning the lead has been successfully transformed into an opportunity or contact, check the converted box. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click Save. Your new lead stage is now created and ready to use. If you want to adjust the order in which your stages appear, there's an optional step you can take. In the Pick List Values section, click Reorder. You can then drag and drop the stages to arrange them in whatever sequence makes sense for your sales process. When you're satisfied with the order, click Save, and that's it. You've successfully created a new lead stage in Salesforce, giving you more control over how you track and manage your leads through your sales pipeline. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.